Had a little storm blow through last night. Seems like too much of a mess of things. I've already taken the hatch off the 5x8 Modified Benroy. You can see it sitting here. I'm going to trim it, and after I trim it, I'm going to put some more polyurethane on it. Polyurethane. It's not polyurethane, it's two-part epoxy, and I know that. So, let's see if we can scoot you up a little closer where you can get a better view. In here. Right there. There we go. Go along here with the razor and don't get too crazy with it. Not a lot to narrate, but you can listen to nature and hear the water fountain dripping, hear the wind blowing a little bit. It's a good day to be outside. Sometimes you don't feel like saying anything. Just find something you like to do and chill. Chill. Let me give y'all a different view here. Some palm trees are throwing a nice little shadow. Be sure you pick all that stuff up here. Oh, dropped a few pieces. I'll leave this part and I'll just run sander over that, so in the garage, so I don't have to try to pick all that up. You don't have to trim it perfect. When you get close, it saves some work with the sanding and the sandpaper. Don't get too close and cut into your work. Then you didn't really save much time at all, did you? Because then pretty much you got to spend your time on rebuilding that edge that you may or may not have cut into. There we go. Just put that in my pocket. What I want to do is get your nasty sharp edge off, so when you pick it back up it doesn't cut me. And the next thing is to sand it down, smooth it out a little bit. This kind of fabric has a lot of ridges in it, so we're going to put a lot of epoxy on it to build it up, and then we'll sand it down. And I think that I'm going to go ahead and epoxy the inside of it. It's not very heavy. It's just a handful to pick up. You can see in here some of the plywood, and plywood did not have the best of quality, but you know, there's nothing you can do about that as far as selecting your plywood, because you don't really see these issues until you cut into it. Once you cut into it, then you see stuff like that, and you can fill that with the epoxy. So what we'll do is I'll scrape off some of this tape. I had the blue tape on there so it wouldn't, when I was epoxying, it wouldn't stick to the camper. If it stuck to the camper in place, oh, that'd be bad. Alright, let's stop the video, and like I said, I'll get all these pieces of tape off of it, chew it up a little bit, and then we'll start the video again when I come back and epoxy the inside of this so that it's waterproof.